Hello, welcome to my channel. How you tubing? Today I'm going to be doing a project. I'm changing my bathroom to a beach theme, so I need to make some decor. And this is going to be the first item that I'm going to make. The items that you're going to need are the glue gun and glue sticks. And I used the sea glass paint. That came from Walmart, I think. And then you're going to need I use the Ocean Breeze scented potpourri from the Dollar Tree, the seashells from the Dollar Tree, the sand came from the Dollar Tree also, and the what is this? It's a garden dish. This came from the Dollar Tree, and also this candle holder came from the Dollar Tree. And the twine came from the Dollar Tree. The painter's tape came from the Dollar Tree. The string lights also came from the Dollar Tree. And then the gemstones, they came from Walmart. The thing that I'm going to do is use the painter's tape. And I'm going to cover up this top part of this candle holder. Okay, then I'm going to use the spray paint, and I'm going to be painting this. So while I'm waiting on my candle holder to dry, I'm going to use this twine and wrap it around this dish. And here is the bowl after I finished wrapping the twine. I think I went around maybe 10 to 12 times. And this is the candlestick after it dried. I pulled the tape off of it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make some little rhinestones pieces to put inside. And the way I do it, I just take two of the same size and just put them together. That's it. So I'm going to add some in this little part right here. And then I'm going to be gluing this on the top of the candlestick. Put it right in the center and press down. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add these stones. At first I was going to use the sand, but I decided later not to use the sand. I'm going to put that down. Should we put that in first? Cover it up with the rocks. I'm going to go around and put a couple of shells. Then I'm going to start adding the potpourri. And add more shells. Just keep adding the shells and the potpourri and these little gemstones. Here is the finished product after I added everything.